Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to verify Upwork account. Alright, let's begin. First of all, I just want to point out that if your profile is not 100% complete, Upwork may not allow you to verify your account. Now, if you're not sure if your profile is 100% complete, you can simply go to the Upwork home screen, and then on the right hand side, you should see something that's a little preview of your profile says, complete your profile, and it has a percentage underneath. Now, like I mentioned, there are a few different methods that Upwork uses to verify accounts. And so in order to actually verify your Upwork account, you're going to go up into the top right hand corner, press your profile picture and select settings. And then on the left hand side, you'll scroll all the way down and press identity verification. And as you can see right here, I have already verified my identity with Upwork. So I've got 4 check marks right there. But if you haven't, you'll be given specific instructions on how to verify your identity with Upwork using the verification methods mentioned on this page. So that's basically how you can verify Upwork account. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.